friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Solution for All. Friends, today I need some information from your side. So how many students are there in your class? How many students are there in your school? How many of your friends like pizza? How many of your friends like burger? What is the height of your friends? So these all are informations that I want to know, and this information is definitely in numbers. So when we get information in terms of numbers, information a group of people, then it is called data. So today we are going to know about data handling. Data handling. What is data handling? Data is the information of a group of people or things in numbers. Fine. You can see the information of height of students. Height of students in a school in feet, it is 5 feet, 5.2 feet, 5.2, 5.6, 4.5, 4.8, 4.2, 4.4. Like that, heights of the students are there. Now, these data, if I want to tell you that it is in ascending order or descending order, if I ask you that it is in ascending order or descending order, no any order it is following. And if I want to keep this data in a proper manner, like how many students are there of 4.2 feet, how many students are there of 4.4 feet, it will be difficult for you to find out. So if we arrange it in a proper manner, then it will be very easy to understand that how many students are of which height. So the arrangement of data, that is called data handling. The problem is that why we should know about data, why should we know about data handling? The question is that why should we know about data handling? So data handling, day-to-day life, there is a lot of use of data handling. Like you purchase a car, many people purchase cars. So the car company has to keep record that which type of car is purchased by which type of group. So the car company do survey, and then according to that the companies keep data, and on the basis of data the companies manufacture cars. You go to tailor, you go to malls and purchase some clothes. So which type of clothes? Most of the people like which type of clothes? How can you find out? For all these things, data handling is important. So data handling is a very important part of life. Everyone should know that what is data handling. Now see, heights of students in a school, it is given in feet. Now I want to arrange it in proper order. So just see the smallest, shortest height here, 4.2. So 4.2. Next one is 4.4. Then next one 4.5. Then 4.8. After that, what is there? 5. Then 5.2. Then 5.6. Fine. Now we will check that how can we find out that how many people are there. So first data is 5. We will put one standing line. Now 5.2, this data work over. Now 5.2, 5.2, 1, and this second one. So 2 lines. Now 5.6, 1 line. Now 4.5, so 1 line. 4.8, 1 line. 4.2, 1 line. 4.4, 1 line. 4.2 second line, 4.5 second line, 4.8 second line, 4.8 third line, 4.5 third line, 4.8 fourth line, 5.6 second line, 4.5 fourth line, 4.2 fifth line, 4.2 third line, 4.2 fourth line, 4.8. Now this is the fifth one. So for fifth one, what will we do? We will put a slanting line. After fourth lines, we will put a slanting line. This is called tally mark system. This is called tally mark system. Fine. 4.8 done. Then 4.4. 4.4 second line, 4.8. Again one is there. So we will write one standing line separately. Fine. Now our data has been completed. So 4.2, I have seen that 4 students are there. 4 standing line, 4 students. 4.4, 2 standing lines, 2 students. 4.5, 4 standing lines, 4 students. 4.8, 4 standing lines, 1 slanting line, that is called 5, and plus 1, that is 6. 5 feet, 1 student. 5.2 feet, 2 students. 5.6, 2 students. This is the arrangement of data. Now data has been arranged in a proper manner. You can find it very easily that in your class 4.2 feet height of 2 students has, height of 4 students has 4.2 feet, height of 2 students have 4.4 feet, height of 4 students have 4.5 feet. This is called data handling. Means data has been arranged in a proper manner, and this part is called tally mark. Tally mark means in previous days when people don't know that how to keep record, that time people use that standing line, slanting line, sleeping line, these lines for counting. So here this tally mark is for 4, we will use 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines. When 5th turn will come, that time we will use that slanting line, and after that we will start again 1, 2, 3, 4, then slanting line, 1, 2, 3, 4, then slanting line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one slanting line, this part is called 5. This is called 5, and here 1 is there, so 5 plus 1, that is 6. This is data handling arranged in a proper manner. Now we will know that there are different ways to keep our record in a data handling. In data handling, we can keep record in different manners. So what are the different manners to keep record? We will see one by one. So there are mainly 4 types of graph to handle data. 4 types of graphs. First one is pictograph, second one is bar graph, third one is line graph, and fourth one is circle chart. Fine. We will know about the pictograph first. So pictograph, for one situation is there, one question is there. Mr. Sinha planted 18, 26, 30 and 36 trees in years 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019 respectively. So how can we keep the record that Mr. Sinha has planted how many trees in which year? So the thing is that we will make a table here. We will make a table here and write here years. In which year and number of trees. Years and number of trees. Now in 2016, how many trees are there? 18 trees are there. Fine. In 2017, this is 26. In 2018, it is 30. And in 2019, it is 36. 30 and 36. Now we have to make a pictograph. Pictograph means you represent in terms of a picture so that people can easily understand that about which topic you are talking. Fine. But see, numbers 18, 26, 30, 36 means I have to make here 18 trees, here 26 trees, here 30 trees, here 36 trees. So it will be a very big length. So what should we do? We should use unit. For that, we should use unit to reduce it. Now see, 18, 26, 30 and 36. If you observe all these numbers, you can see that all the numbers come in the table of 2. Fine. So we will make a scale here. What will be the scale? We will make a scale, and in a scale it will show that there is one tree and one tree is equal to 2. One tree. If I make one tree means it is showing 2 trees. It is showing 2 trees. This is a scale. Now for 18, how many trees I have to make? I have to make only 9 trees. So here we will make 9 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have to make only 9 trees here. Fine. Now in 2017, how many trees are needed? 26. 26. For one symbol you are using 2 trees. So for 26 you have to make only 13. 13 symbols you have to make, symbols of trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the pictograph is ready. Now see, in 2016 you have to make 9 trees. 2017 you have to make 13 trees. In 2018 you have to make 15 trees, and in 2019 you have to make 18 trees. Because for one unit, for one tree symbol, it is showing 2 trees. By this way you can draw a pictograph, and it is very easy to understand that okay, Mr. Sinha has planted how many trees in 2016, how many trees in 2017, how many in 2018 and how many in 2019. So by this way you can use pictograph, how to draw pictograph. Fine. Thank you so much for your listening and understanding.